1. Increases learning retention. 2. 17% more efficient than classroom training. 3. Seamless way to blend learning into the regular flow of work activities. 1. Attracts top talent. 2. Encourages employees to learn more. 3. Reinforces business values. 4. Reinforces organizational culture. 5. Facilitates great innovation. It should be 1. One that provides diverse information. 2. One that utilizes the right tools to support training programs. 3. A strong upskilling and reskilling program. 1. Identify your organization's learning needs. 2. Create microlearning content. 3. Organize the content. 4. Review, monitor, and improve. 1. Learners needing a reminder. 2. Learners needing to learn something immediately. 3. Learners needing a refresher. 4. Learners having knowledge gaps. 1. Creating balanced content. 2. Managing large chunks of information. 3. Scaling personalized content. I hope this video provided you with the required information to know how microlearning can be used to level up L&D programs. That brings us to the end of our video, friends. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Check out our other platforms as well to gain access to more valuable resources. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.